bunch of purple flowers to decorate to Mammy's hero. Morning in the aerodrome, the weather warm, the heat is colder. For her men in uniform to carry home that little soldier.
Goody do, shoulda been.